Plot your goals into a comprehensive plan. Yun na yung detail mo na siya. By years, by months, by days. Yan pong tulong sa'yo ng iyong upline. Kaya gabi-gabi kang mini-meeting. Kasi ilang ulit nang sinabi sa'yo, hindi mo pa ginagawa. Alam mo ba kaya ka tinatawag? Kagabi pinag-usapan na natin ito, sabi ko mag-recruit ka, di ka pa rin nagre-recruit. Tapos galit na galit ka pa pag tinatanong. Ikaw pa galit, nagre-recruit naman ako din. Tama? Guys, you need to have a comprehensive plan. Kasi dyan mo rin siya ma-achieve. Tama yung building, di ba? May design yung building, may color. Tapos susunod nun, yung mga bakal, may picture ulit. Tama ba, engineer? Tama ba, engineers? Oh. Yung bakal, yung biga, yung buhos, yung simento, lahat computed. Kaya may timeline paano matatapos yung building. Kung yung building may plano,